Hey guys, it's Arjun Arts here. I really hope you enjoyed that video of my art progress this year. We're only just getting started, this YouTube channel. We're at 30 subscribers and I really am glad of the support you guys have given me, especially my first video, the Nezco video. I'll put the link in the description or the comment box down below. But thank you so much for your support and your inspiration, and I'm really glad that I took up the passion for art again and found it again, because it's been years. I used to do art like 7 years ago. I stopped, and this year I actually got back into it, and I found that it's really a passion of mine and I really want to continue it, and I just love doing it. It's so rewarding. I've learned so much, blending, sketching. I'm still learning. I've still got so far yet to go. I really do hope that you enjoyed that video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave a rating. Tell me in the comments which drawing has been your favorite in this montage that I just showed you, and any video requests, any characters you want me to draw, just let me know in the comment box, and I'll do my best for you guys. And we're growing. I hope we can build a strong community of anime fan art lovers and manga lovers, and we're definitely gonna go strong. Guys, please do subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.